screen is visible?
Yes, now we can see.
Okay, so here write a number whose table is to be found. The simple statement. Okay, we are putting 6 over it. Like this, we can put any number. I input any number. Okay, now when I will press enter, before pressing enter, I just want to tell you that when I will put 6 over there and I will enter, automatically the num value will be initiated at 6. Okay, so this statement means print table of, in place of this within bracket num 6 will come. Okay, then I am initializing I value as 1. Okay, and after that I am checking the condition whether if I value is less than 20, less than or equal to 20, then always this particular statement should be printed. Okay, in this statement, first what the thing is, this is num. Num means 6. I means 1 for the first case, first loop. Okay, and this is 6 into 1, that is 6 only. Now, here what is happening, I is equal to I plus 1 means now I is 2. So again, this loop will work. Okay, since I is less than 20, less than or equal to 20, this loop will work. Again, it will be printed like 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Now, this means here that mathematical operation is happening, right? Similarly, in next statement, what will happen? This I is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Again, this loop will run unless and until 20 is met. Okay. Finally, when I is equal to 20 is also met, right? So that's why this will run. Again, when 20 corresponding to 20, this print statement is written. After that, I will become I is equal to 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. Now the limit is, the limit is being crossed right now. Now while loop will not be implemented. Is it clear to all of you?
Yeah, can we run this once?
Yes, yes, sure. So this is, since I have taken up to 20, so that's why 6 into 20, 120, up to 120 you are taking. I mean, up to 20, this is the table of 6 up to 20. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, understood.
Okay. The same way you can do it for for loop also. Okay. So for the for loop, what we will do, little bit this statement will decrease. This many statements, we can avoid this I is equal to I plus 1 in case of for loop. Okay, automatically it will increment that I is equal to I plus 1, right? So in case of for loop, see for this for loop, so I will write the same thing, I will copy paste it. Okay, Control C, Control V, enter. This one also. Right now, for loop we are going to implement. So in for loop we can take any variable. Why I am taking. Okay, I. So next I have to write like in range. Okay, within range, within bracket I have to mention what should be the limit. Starting point is 1. Okay, comma ending point is 20. Okay, not 20, 21, because upper bound won't be counted, right? Colon, enter, then we can write like print. Okay, within print we have to write this the same statement we can write, the same statement. Okay, control. Okay, so let us run it. The same 6 I am thinking. Okay, now you can see. Is it clear? We are getting the same output using different loop. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes.
Okay, this is how we can implement. So the benefit of using for loop is we need not to write this I is equal to I plus 1. It is not required. But here in case of for loop, statement is little bit compared to while this. That is only the change. And also we have to initialize in case of while. Here, automatically in range itself, the I value is getting initialized. Is it clear to all of you right now? Like using the same, for the same statement, same problem statement, we can implement those two rules. Okay. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Okay. So I'm going to wind up the session, right? So tomorrow we will discuss, we can make some patterns and all. I will try those codes and I will let you know. Okay. Right? Okay. If possible, some other topics will be taken. Okay. Other than this pattern and all.
Ma'am, after this, there is a session for discussion about yesterday's task and what.
Yeah. What was the problem?
Is there another session for discussion about task?
On Friday and Saturday, you can join morning session 12:30 p.m.
Okay.
But right now only Saturday is left. Okay, you can join it on Monday. Monday there will be status call in the evening also. Is that okay, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for your patience. You all had food. I forgot to ask that. You all had lunch.
Not yet.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Actually, that 17 student, they had Power BI class and right now they are attending this Python class also. So, okay. So
And
actually
that means you also didn't have.
no, I had before 2 o'clock, I had my lunch.
Okay.
Okay then, bye all.
Now, one more thing.
Bye.
Yeah.
In that IN25 line is there from one program you written, right? What is that F?
Yeah, this F. This
What is that F?
formatted. Using this F, you can put all the, this whatever numerical thing is there and whatever string thing is there, everything you can put together using this F. F means formatted. That is the, that is how it is explained. F means,
And if we remove it, then
the problem will be there. If you are removing it, it will show you an error. Okay, I'm putting 7. It is not giving you correct statement. All these things will become string, right?
okay.
Ma'am, if we will write there in
Yeah. What was your question?
if at the place of F, if we write integer value, that will be
Yeah, I don't know whether it's my network issue. Your voice is not clear.
He's saying in place of F, if we write int, will it work? It won't work because
It won't
trying
work.
to.
No. Int means it is changing the type only. If you are putting int over here, it won't work. We can try, but I don't think it will work. Let us see. Okay. Without trying, we can't say about it. Okay, here it was F, right? This was the thing. So instead of F, if I am putting int, I don't think it will work. There is a syntax error. It won't work.
That initialization should come up. Is it?
No.
Then also problem is there. It will show you error every time because this is somewhat a character, right? It can't converting it into like it will be similar to like if I'm writing print. No, int within bracket something like your shops. Let us see whether it will work or not. I don't think it will. Okay, it is showing us the error. It is not possible to do that. I mean, converting a string into int is not possible. But if you are going to convert a number into int, like 4, then it is possible. Okay, then it is possible. But if you are writing some characters within it, okay, whether it is a single character like R also, it won't work. It will accept only the numbers, okay, that are in string format. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tomorrow we will discuss about some other topic plus this pattern and all. Okay.
Uh,
So
Ma'am,
yes.
can you send me the video link because I'm not able to complete my task 3 and
Which video
of
link?
Power BI.
Task 3. Which video link
Yes,
you
ma'am.
are asking about?
Ma'am, uh, actually it was what the task is given about to do analysis on a large number of unusual orders. So I don't know how to do them.
In case of large number of unusual orders, you can use if statement. You should put a cutoff like whether that value is greater than 50,000 or not.
Okay, ma'am.
If statement you can use it. I mean, go through the DAX function class and there you will get the thing. You're from which batch?
7.
7th batch. You can go through
Yes,
the data analyst live class there. I have updated the content regarding Power BI, DAX functions, data modeling, web scraping, those common classes, like basic classes are provided over there. Its videos are there. You can go through it
On the drive or on the YouTube.
in YouTube, your shops. In Drive also it is there. I don't know whether it is corrupted right now or not. You can go through YouTube also. In YouTube, data analyst live class option, I mean playlist is there where you can go through that content.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So guys, I'm going to close the session. I hope everything is clear for you.
Yes, good session. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. It means a great thing for the comment. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.